मैम
जो भी अपना म्यूट करो एंड अपने वीडियो ऑन करो सबका. Okay, so we will begin. Last time we have seen the definition of oxidation, reduction, then कैसे oxidation state elements के find करना है वो सब हमने देखा था. Am I right? Yes or no?
यस मैम
Okay. Now today, continuing further, just write question लिखना. Identify whether the following reactions reactions are redox or not. Following reactions are redox or not. Then state, continue, state, oxidants and reductants, reductants in the following reaction. Now, before proceeding further, let us do a quick revision. What is oxidation in terms of electrons?
loss of electrons.
Loss of electrons. So if it is loss of electron, that means what? Increase in oxidation number or decrease in oxidation number?
Increase.
Increase in oxidation number. Okay, so loss of electron or increase in oxidation number is oxidation, and the reverse of that, gain of electrons or decrease in oxidation number is reduction. Okay, now can anyone tell me what is oxidant? What is oxidant? Oxidant or oxidizing agent, anyone?
Substance which itself undergoes reduction but causes oxidation of another.
Yes, okay. Any compound which itself undergo reduction but it oxidizes another species is known as oxidants, or it is known as oxidizing agent. Okay, and the substance which itself undergo oxidation and reduces other species is known as reductant. Okay, तो ये हम अभी रिएक्शन में देखने वाले हैं कि ऑक्सीडेंट और रिडक्टेंट कैसा रहेगा. So this is your first question. Okay, we will rewrite this question once again. So H3 ASO4 ASO3 minus in aqueous phase plus BrO3 minus in aqueous phase gives Br minus in aqueous phase plus H3 ASO4 minus in aqueous phase. Okay. चलो, we will find oxidation number of individual species. जिसका भी पता है पहले हम वो लिख लेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन it is +1, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन -2, we know ऑक्सीजन का -2 है. Here what is the oxidation state of bromine? It is a monoatomic ion, right? Yes or no? Monoatomic ion. तो what is the monoatomic ion में क्या होता है, जो चार्ज दिया है that itself is the oxidation number. So what is the oxidation number? -1. Here +3 and this one -2. चलो, जो नहीं लिखा है उसका हमें फाइंड करना है. यहाँ पे AS का फाइंड करेंगे. +3 + x -6 is equal to -1. बराबर है. 1 into 3 + 3 AS X, okay, arsenic this one. Then 3 into -2 -6, which is -1. So X -3 is -1. So X is how much? X is how much? बोलो, कितना हो जाएगा?
2.
X is +2. So in this case, arsenic is +2. Okay. Now here, ब्रोमीन का फाइंड करेंगे. X minus 6 is minus 1. I hope if I write like this, you will understand. Why it is minus 6?
3
Why?
into minus
3 atoms.
Yes, 3 oxygen into its charge minus 2. So that is minus 6. So X is how much?
Plus 5.
5.
Plus 5. Yes. Now here, 3 plus X minus 8 is minus 1. So X is कितना हो रहा है? X minus 5 is minus 1. So X
4.
plus 4. So here plus 4. Okay? Understood? चलो अब देखते हैं. Who is undergoing oxidation? Who is undergoing oxidation? बताओ, who is undergoing oxidation? Increase in oxidation number किसका हो रहा है? AS plus 2 plus 4. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number. So this is undergoing oxidation and other one reduction किधर हो रहा है? Here it is plus 5 ना, plus 5 से minus 1. So here decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number. So that is reduction. Yeah. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will write. So this is a redox reaction. Who is undergoing oxidation? Oxidation किसका हो रहा है? AS, which is undergoing changes from plus 2 state to AS plus 4. Then reduction. Reduction is of element Br, which is undergoing changes from plus 5 to Br changes minus 1. Okay. Now who is oxidant? कौन है oxidant? खुद जो reduce हो रहा है, that is oxidant. Who is undergoing reduction? This one, right? So अभी ये reagent है, पूरा reagent जो भी दिया है वो लिखेंगे हम. So it is BrO3 minus and reductant. Reductant is H3AsO3. Understood?
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, copy down this. Done. Completed.
ऋषिकेश पवार. Do not touch your device. क्यों यहाँ वहाँ मूव कर रहा है?
मैम पोजीशन पे नहीं आ रहा.
अरे वो बराबर है, तू रख वहाँ पे. Do not touch your device.
Yes, bachcho, have you all completed with this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now next question. One more question we will solve of this pattern, then we'll proceed further. Next one is I2 plus S2O3 2 minus gives S4O6 2 minus and I minus. Solve this question. Okay, so what is the oxidation state of iodine? I2. Bolo? What is the oxidation state of iodine here?
0.
0.
0. Yes, it is in free state, so it is 0. Then oxygen -2. Here also oxygen -2, and here iodine carries 1 charge, so -1. Sulfur का क्या है? 2x minus 6 is -2. 2x is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 2. So यहाँ पे it is plus 2. And here, how much?
5/2.
5/2, यानी 2.5 ना? Okay. So who is undergoing oxidation? Sulfur. This is undergoing oxidation because we can see increase in oxidation number, and this one is undergoing reduction as this is showing decrease in oxidation number. Okay, so who is an oxidant here in this reaction? Who is an oxidant? बोलो, जो reduce होता है that is an oxidant, right?
I2.
I2, okay, and H2O3 2 minus is an reductant.
Reductant.
So understood such kind of questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now proceeding further with balancing. Okay, balancing the redox reaction. There are two methods, very, very important methods for balancing. Okay, so one is oxidation number method and other one is ion electron method. So we are beginning with oxidation number method. Okay, so I will explain this with the help of example only. Let us consider an example. MnO4 minus in aqueous phase plus Fe2 plus in aqueous phase gives Mn2 plus and Fe3 plus. Okay, so first step, you will find the oxidation number of each element. Okay, तो पहले हमें ये reaction फिर से लिखना पड़ता है, then we will find the oxidation number. Okay, so I'm not writing the reaction again. Okay, and the medium given is acidic. Okay, see here. So what is the oxidation state of oxygen? -2. Fe का क्या है? Fe?
+2.
Yeah, in this reaction it is +2. Mn?
+2.
Mn +2 and Fe?
+3.
+3. Okay, so सारे monoatomic. And what about Mn here? MnO4 minus. X minus 8 is -1. So X is
+7.
7.
7. Yes. So here Mn is +7. Okay. So who is undergoing oxidation? From here to here, Fe is undergoing oxidation. Because we can see increase in oxidation number and increase by how many electron? Increase by how many electron? 1 electron, right? +2 है और यहाँ पे it is +3. बराबर?
Yes, ma'am.
Respond बच्चों, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and
Yes, ma'am.
Mn is undergoing reduction. Okay, this one, sorry, यहाँ पे आएगा. Mn is undergoing reduction, and वो individually अभी हम लिखेंगे. So listen carefully, everybody. The concentration should be here. Please listen. Very important question. Okay, so first step, you will just assign the oxidation number. So once you assign the oxidation number, you will see who is undergoing oxidation and who is undergoing reduction. Okay, so oxidation किसका हो रहा है? Oxidation is for Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. Okay, Fe from +2 state, it is getting converted to Fe +3 state. So increase per atom is equal to 1 electron. Okay, increase in per atom by 1 electron, therefore net increase. Okay, since Fe दोनों side एक ही है, So first net increase. Okay, so net increase is also how much? Plus 1. Okay, now first thing एक चीज बोलने भूल गई थी. Now first step क्या करना है? You will balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. यहाँ पे उसकी जरूरत नहीं थी. Except hydrogen and oxygen we have what? Mn. Mn left side भी 1 है, right side भी 1 है. Okay, then we have Fe. Left side also 1, right side also 1. Okay, so hence वो step की जरूरत नहीं है. और इस अगर left side Mn 1 होता and right side 2 होता, then you would have balanced there. Okay, left side में हमें 2 करके ही आगे बढ़ना है. So this one. Now reduction. Reduction किसका हो रहा है? Reduction is for whom? किस एलिमेंट का रिडक्शन हो रहा है? Mn का. Mn is undergoing reduction from which state? From which
Plus
state?
7.
Plus
Yes,
7
from
plus
plus
2
2.
7.
plus 2.
Mn plus 2. Okay, so decrease in per atom is equal to how much? Difference क्या है? 5.
5.
Electron का decrease है, therefore net decrease how much? एक ही Mn है ना, एक ही Mn है, तो net decrease is also 5. Okay, so यहाँ पे this also electron आप लिख सकते हो. Now after this step, you should remember कि net increase and decrease has to be equal. Okay, यहाँ पे net increase 1 electron है and net decrease 5 electron है. So in order to make them equal, what are we supposed to do? किसको किससे multiply करना है? I will multiply 5 to oxidation reaction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so remember this one. After doing this step, your net increase and net decrease has to be equal. Okay, अगर पहले से equal है तो no harm, but if it is not equal, then you have to multiply by a suitable coefficient so that your net increase and decrease will become equal. Okay, so rewriting the equation. Okay, I'm going to rewrite the equation. So to make net increase and decrease equal, multiply by 5 to oxidation reaction. Okay, multiply by 5 to oxidation reaction. So this is my oxidation reaction. So here I'll write 5 Fe2 plus. Okay, 5 Fe2 plus. Okay, then is giving me 5 Fe3 plus. और रिडक्शन मेरा एज इट इज रहेगा. रिडक्शन इधर Mn plus 7 है, बट वो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ MnO4 था, तो उसको वैसे ही लिखो MnO4 minus and Mn2 plus. Okay, I'll combine this now. Okay, दोनों इक्वेशन को मैं कंबाइन करूंगी. So if I combine both the equation, then कैसा हो जाएगा? If I combine both the equation, यानी दोनों का reactant हमें left side लिखना है. So it will be like this: 5 Fe plus MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus and 5 Fe3 plus. Understood? Till here, it is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next step, balance oxygen atom. Okay, balance oxygen atom by adding H2O to side containing less oxygen. Okay, now look at the equation. Equation में left side में कितने oxygens है total? Here I don't have any oxygen, but here I have 4 oxygen. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and right side of the equation there is no oxygen. So जितने oxygen है उतना H2O हमें उस side में add करना है जहाँ पे oxygen कम है. Okay, so rewriting this, I'll write 5 Fe2 plus MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus हाउ मेनी ऑक्सीजन, 4 ऑक्सीजन, तो उसके हिसाब से 4H2O. Understood this step?
Yes,
By
ma'am.
oxygen atom. Okay. Now next step. After oxygen atom, balance hydrogen atom by adding H plus ion to site containing less hydrogen. Okay. Look at the equation. Right side में we have 8 hydrogen. Yes or no? Left side में there is no hydrogen. Okay. So left side में हम क्या करेंगे? 8H plus ion add करेंगे. So I will get 5 Fe2 plus MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus and 4H2O. Understood this? Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now just check left side and right side में कोई common thing आपको दिख रहा है जो cancel हो सके? वैसे कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, there is nothing which can be cancelled. So this will be our balanced equation. Okay. So balanced equation को हम फिर से लिखेंगे. Fe2 plus Fe was in aqueous state. वो mention कर लो. Then MnO4 minus, that is again aqueous state, plus 8H plus ion gives Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus and 4H2O. So this is our balanced equation in oxidation number method. Okay. So first step, I'll repeat, just listen. First step, we will assign the oxidation number. Okay. So once we assign the oxidation number, next step you see for who is undergoing oxidation and who is undergoing reduction. So oxidation by Fe, by how many electron? Plus 2, 2 plus 3. So increase per atom is by plus 1. So net increase is by 1 electron. And here reduction, Mn is undergoing reduction from plus 7 to plus 2. Decrease per atom is 5 electrons. So net decrease is also 5. Okay. Now your net increase and net decrease has to be equal. To make them equal, multiply by a suitable coefficient. Okay. So if I multiply by 5 to the oxidation reaction, then my net increase and decrease will become equal. So 5 मैंने अगर oxidation के साथ multiply किया, तो oxidation किसके साथ हो रहा है, उसके साथ वो 5 multiply कर दो. So rewriting the equation, 5 Fe2 plus MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus and 5 Fe3 plus. Okay. Then balance oxygen atom by adding H2O to the site containing less oxygen. Looking at the reaction, left side में I have 4 oxygen atom, right side में कोई oxygen नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने 4H2O right side add किया. Balance hydrogen atom by adding H plus ion. Okay. The reaction, right side there are 8 hydrogen atom, left side there is no hydrogen, so I will add 8 H plus ion on the left side of the reaction. Okay. So after that, अगर any comment किसी cancel कर सकते क्या देख लो, नहीं है तो that will be your balanced equation. Understood? Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if it is basic medium ना, वहाँ पे एक और step add हो जाता है. I will let you know. तो यहाँ पे it is acidic medium. Okay. तो medium पे आपको ध्यान देना है. Acidic and basic is also same. यहाँ तक it will be same. After this step, there will be one more step in basic medium. Okay. Chalo, do this. Rules you can go through the textbook. अभी rules explain किया, सबको समझ में आया ना? यही है, step by step आपको ऐसे ही करना है. Okay. So rules I am not dictating. Textbook में है. You can refer textbook for rules. Now solve the question. Just write the question. Balance the given redox reaction by oxidation number method. By oxidation number method.
Ma'am, just a second now. Sabari Devar, to whom are you talking with? Sabari, unmute yourself.
No one.
लिखा तूने क्वेश्चन जो मैम ने बोला? सवारी अनम्यूट.
लिख रहा हूँ मैम.
तो मैम जब बोल रही है तो ऊपर देखिए किससे बात कर रहे हो?
पेन मांगा रहा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can start writing it. Balance the given reaction by oxidation number method. Method को highlight करना and you can start writing this. First step में आप एक काम करो, पहले question सिर्फ question लिखो, then again next step से you show this oxidation state and all. Okay, don't directly start ऐसे ही मत लिखो, एक step question लिखो, फिर आप start करना. This will be a 3 to 4 mark question.
Shubham Jha, done writing?
No, ma'am, right.
Prathamesh Deshmukh, done writing?
No, ma'am, writing.
Aniket Shetty done. Aniket. Purvika done.
Completed, students?
No, ma'am.
अनिकेत शेट्टी कहाँ गया था तू?
Someone was at the door.
अच्छा. आर्यन सालुंखे कहाँ गया? आर्यन सालुंखे उसके भी डोर पे कोई आया हो. आर्यन कहाँ गया था तुम? आर्यन कहाँ गया था?
क्या?
हाँ तू, हाँ आर्यन सालुंखे कहाँ गया था तू? क्या बोला?
बुला रही थी.
बुला रहे थे. अच्छा.
Yes, students, if you're done, let me know. Shall we proceed?
Yes,
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives Cr3 plus and SO4 2 minus. Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives Cr3 plus and SO4 2 minus. Okay, now listen. Same, this also acidic medium. Acidic medium का है. So first step, as I said, balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen को छोड़ के कौन से elements है? Chromium है. How many chromium do I have? Left side में कितने chromiums है?
2.
2. Right side में how many chromium? 1. So here I will put 2. Okay, पहले ही 2 डाल देंगे. Then sulfur, 1 sulfur. Right side also 1 sulfur. Understood? Understood the meaning of balancing all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now assign oxidation number. चलो quickly बताओ. Oxygen -2. Here, what is the oxidation state of chromium here? It is
+3.
+3. सल्फर यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन -2. सल्फर कितना है फटाफट बताओ. X - 8 is -2. So X is
6.
6. And here X -6 is -4.
4.
X is bolo left side
4.
4. Yes. Here it is +4. So बताओ who is undergoing oxidation? Who is undergoing oxidation? किसका हो रहा है oxidation?
S का
Sulfur. Okay, so sulfur is undergoing oxidation. So SO3 2 minus 2, SO4 2 minus. So here from which state? Plus 4. Say it is undergoing plus 6. So increase per atom. दोनों side एक एक ही है. So per atom how many electrons? Increase by plus 2. So net increase is by 2 electrons. Right?
yes ma'am.
Okay. Now reduction. Reduction किसका हो रहा है? Cr2O7 2 minus gives Cr3 plus. Okay. So reduction किसका हो रहा है? इसका हो रहा है. From which unit? Here. Chromium find नहीं किया. What is the oxidation state here?
6
2x minus 14 is equal to minus 2. Yes, it is plus 6. Okay. So from plus 6 to plus 3. Okay. So यहाँ पे it is from plus 6 to plus 3. So decrease per atom how many electrons? By
3
3.
electrons.
Okay. Decrease per atom by 3 electrons. But net decrease how much?
3 electrons.
3 into 2. There are 2 chromium, na?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so decrease in per atom is by 3 electron, but net decrease is 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 electron. So understood why it is 2?
Yes ma'am.
ये 2 समझ में आना, because we have introduced 2 here. There are 2 chromium atom. इस वजह से per atom का there is decrease by 3. So 2 का it will be 3 into 2, 6. Now to make increase and decrease equal, what are we supposed to do? Multiply
Oxidation by 3.
3. Okay, so oxidation किसके साथ हो रहा है? SO के साथ हो रहा है. So I'll just remove this. Okay. So wherever there is oxidation, उसमें हम 3 से multiply करेंगे. Reduction हमें as it is लिखना है. So I will write it like this. 3SO3 2 minus plus Cr2O7 2 minus gives 3SO4 2 minus plus 2Cr3 plus. Understood? Till here it is clear?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now chalo. Balance oxygen atom by adding H2O to the site containing less oxygen. यहाँ पे देखो कितने oxygen है? 3 into 3 9 plus here I have 7. Okay, so total 16 oxygen on left side. Now 3 4s are 12. There is no other oxygen. So कौन से side कम पड़ रहा है? Product side? Yes or
Yes
no?
ma'am.
So here it will be SO3 2 minus plus Cr2O7 2 minus gives 3SO4 2 minus plus 2Cr3 plus. How many water molecules?
Plus 4 H2.
Yes, plus 4 H2O. Okay. Now balance hydrogen atom by adding H plus to the site containing less H plus ion. Okay. So left side there is no hydrogen. Right side we have 8. So we will introduce that. 3SO3 2 minus plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 8H plus gives 3SO4 2 minus plus 2Cr3 plus and 4H2. बराबर? कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है. So this itself will be your balanced reaction. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
Copy down this second question. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now one question we will do for basic medium.
मैम ये रूल हर एग्जाम्पल में लिखने के
हर जो भी ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर मेथड से पूछा जाता है वहां पे आपको आंसर करना है पूरा.
ओके मैम.
वन मोर मेथड आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन मेथड, वो अलग है, वहां पे हम ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन को अलग अलग करेंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वन वी विल डू फॉर बेसिक मीडियम. Zn plus NO3 gives Zn2 plus and NH4 plus. So this is basic medium. Okay, so same pattern we are going to follow. Okay, same pattern हम follow करेंगे. So पहले just balance the reaction. Will you be able to solve till this step? ये step तक try करोगे? Balancing hydrogen atom तक? Can you
Yes,
try?
ma'am.
Okay, try. I hope other students are also doing. Only one student is responding. What about others? Girls,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
कर रहे हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर असाइन किया. जिंक का बताओ क्या है?
0.
0.
Yes, फ्री स्टेट में है जिंक 0. व्हाट अबाउट नाइट्रोजन?
+6.
+6.
NO3 माइनस. हाँ, नाइट्रोजन +6 में नहीं जाता, उसका मैक्सिमम +5 है. ओके, सो इट विल बी +5. जिंक +2.
+2.
Here hydrogen +1 and nitrogen
-3.
-3. Okay, so you all understood who is undergoing oxidation and who is undergoing reduction. Okay, so उससे पहले हमें कुछ और atoms को balance करने की जरूरत नहीं है, because zinc left side 1, right side 1, nitrogen also 1, 1. Okay, so oxidation Zn to Zn2 plus. Okay, so increase per atom is by +2. Net increase is equal to 2 electrons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now reduction. NO3 minus say NH4 plus. So from +5 to -3. So decrease per atom कितना हो रहा है? Yes,
2,
2 किससे हो रहा है? ये -3 है ना, +5 है, -3 है, तो
8, 8,
माइनस 8
इंक्लूडिंग 0 आपको जाना है. ओके, सो इट विल बी कितना हो रहा है?
5 minus -3.
So it is by 8 electrons, right? So net decrease is equal to 8. अभी इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज को इक्वल करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? किसको मल्टीप्लाई करना
multiply oxidation by 4.
है? मल्टीप्लाई ऑक्सीडेशन बाय 4. सो अभी तक जो भी क्वेश्चन आया है उसमें हमने किसी एक को ही मल्टीप्लाई किया है. देयर कैन बी क्वेश्चंस, देयर आर क्वेश्चंस इन फैक्ट जिसमें हमें ऑक्सीडेशन को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है, रिडक्शन को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है. ओके, सो प्रोसीड फर्दर.
मिस,
हाँ बोलो.
देखो n के नीचे +5 और -3 कैसे आया?
ये n के नीचे इधर देखो, NO3 माइनस, n को हम x कंसिडर करेंगे, प्लस 3 इंटू ऑक्सीजन का जनरल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या है? -2. लास्ट क्लास में हमने रूल्स देखा था. ओके, सो x प्लस 3 इंटू -2 इज यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज है, -1. So x minus 6 is -1, therefore x is +5. समझा?
यस मिस.
क्योंकि सेम वे आपको इधर भी देखना है, x +1 4 इंटू +1. ओके, हाइड्रोजन नॉन मेटल के साथ है तो +1 विच इज इक्वल टू +1. So x plus 4 is +1, therefore x is equal to -3.
-3.
एक मिनट, -3 आया, दिस इज +4 ना, तो ये 4 अगर इधर गया तो ये हो जाएगा ना, सो दिस बिकम्स माइनस,
-5.
बराबर ना?
हाँ.
क्या आया?
मैम उधर चार्ज
+1 है ना मैम.
Charge है ना
फोर
मम्मी.
इज इक्वल्स टू +1 -4.
NH4 +1 ना.
यस मैम, इक्वेशन में x + 4 इज इक्वल्स टू +1 -4.
Here it is, नहीं, x plus 4 is +1. Okay, sorry,
है ना मैम.
sorry, I did it -1, तो बराबर है. तो x is equal to +1 -4. ओके, तो वो -3 है. ठीक है, प्रोसीड फर्दर ना. ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन को बैलेंस करो. So you understood? जिसने नाइट्रोजन का चार्ज पूछा था, have you understood that?
मिस, थैंक यू.
Ma'am, when is the next class?
Ma'am, this is the last lecture for today.
If I take 5 minutes more, it's fine, na? I'll complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Done, very good. तो मुझे बताओ, वो H प्लस के बाद वाला रिएक्शन बताओ. जब आपने H ऐड किया ना, उसके बाद what you are getting, just let me know. तो ये यहाँ पे you might have multiplied by 4, right? So 4
Yes, ma'am. 4Zn plus NO3 minus plus 6H plus
plus 6H plus
gives 4Zn2 plus
4Zn2 plus
plus NH4 plus
NH4 plus
3H2.
3H2. Okay, बाकी लोगों को आ रहा है ये? Just try.
10x plus
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, कोई और कुछ और बोल रहा था. Somebody was telling me something else. Everybody is getting this common?
Yes.
कर रहे हो ना बाकी लोग, please, or else I will have to cross check it again. Are you all getting this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But answer is not matching. Somewhere you have gone wrong. Okay, I'll do it. 4Zn NO3 minus फिर H2O. Here it is 3 minus, so 3H2O. 6H plus. H plus 6 कैसे आएगा? यहाँ पे भी
7H
4
आएगा।
हाँ, so आपको 10H plus डालना पड़ेगा. Yes, understood. Here you जिसने भी ये बताया मुझे, you might have not have counted this. Here already we have 4 hydrogen. Okay, so
Yes,
this
ma'am.
4 plus this 6 will give us 10. Okay, now next step क्या है? Since the reaction is in basic medium. Okay, since the reaction is in basic medium. Okay, add OH minus ion equal to H plus ion on both side of equation. Okay, both side of equation. तो जितना हमने हमारा H plus ion है उतना ही OH दोनों side add करना है. So if I do so, see क्या मिलेगा? 4Zn plus NO3 minus plus 10H plus 10OH minus gives 4Zn2 plus NH4 plus 3H2O plus 10OH minus. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you might be knowing this. H plus, 1 H plus and 1 OH minus is equal to what? This gives what?
H2.
H2O. Now look at this. We have total 10 H2O on the left side. Am I right? 10 H2O on the left side. And right side मेरे पास कितने H2O हैं? 3 H2O. So 3 H2O इसके साथ cancel हो जाएगा. Okay. So if that is the case, now what will be the final equation? 4Zn plus NO3 minus plus 7H2O gives 4Zn2 plus 4NH4 plus 1 plus 10OH minus. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about others? Have you all understood this?
Yes.
Okay. So basic medium mein you will have to add OH minus ion equal to H plus ion on both side of the equation. So after doing that, consider 1 H plus 1 OH minus is equal to H2O. So H2O common जो है वो cancel कर दो. Whatever is left, add that in the final equation and you will get the balanced one. Okay. Copy down this.
प्रथमेश म्यूट करो.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you all understood oxidation number method?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So textbook में page number 92 देखो. Page 92. उसमें question number 3 का D part. Okay, D for Delhi. Justify that following reactions are redox reaction. So उसमें there are 3 questions given that you can solve as a homework. And question number 4 देखो, balance the following reaction by oxidation number method A. Okay, capital A में. So you can solve A and B as homework. One for acidic medium and one for basic medium. Got it? Question number 3 में D part and question number 4 A में A and B. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all have understood whatever we did today. Keep practicing such type of questions. Okay. Till then, bye-bye.